Hello, I'm Urban Eve. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a first impression wig review of Outre's lace front Annie Bob 12-inch unit. I was really excited to try this unit because it incorporates, or would appear to incorporate, two of my favorite things in units from Outre: kinky straight texture and light density. Not unlike this unit right here, which is the Nisha 206, which is the last unit that I reviewed from Outre. So this is the stock card for Annie Bob 12. If you've been watching my channel long enough, you know that I love a bob wig. I love them bumped. I love them straight blunt cut. So I'm really excited to review this unit. So I got her in the color DR2 Ginger Brown, and it claims to have transparent HD lace, heat resistant fiber, so heat safe up to 400 degrees. It is a 12-inch bob. It has pre-plucked lace parting and natural baby hairs. So now I can show you, viewers, if you haven't seen this already, the insane amount of lace that Outre is giving lately. Like, this is a lace visor. I'm not sure what this is about or why, but it is definitely excessive. I don't know what this is about, but this is what the lace is looking like. This is the parting space, which is standard, not super deep. It looks to be about, what's this, maybe like 4 inches or so. The lace itself, the lace itself looks like it will be easy to blend. I definitely am gonna spray this with my Ebon Lace tint spray. On the sides, we do have some baby hairs. The pre-plucking that they're talking about, I don't know. Is this, I mean, it looks a little fuzzy and nappy on the edges, but I don't really feel like this is the best pre-plucking. This is the cap construction. It's got one comb on either side of the lace part. The back is an open ear mesh cap wig. It's got a bit of a longer comb than usual in the back and adjustable straps. The texture of this unit is very soft. It's not as yucky as I thought it would be. Not a complaint though, I like it. I like how light this is, light and soft. And I think the color is nice enough. I do see the brightness of the ginger on the bottom here. I think that's really pretty. It would have been nice if it was a little bit more throughout the unit. That's just my personal preference. But other than that, I am ready to cut the lace off of this baby and try her on. I'll be right back. So this is the Annie Bob 12-inch wig on me, and I really like it. The lace, like I had anticipated, was really easy to blend. It still looks a little pale. I'm gonna put some powder in there. It could also use some pre-plucking, but for the most part, it blends really easily with my complexion. Again, I did put the lace tint spray in there. I feel like that is necessary. It might not be necessary for all skin tones, obviously, but I like to put it in even if I think the lace is somewhat HD. And this was somewhat HD, but HD ain't HD for everybody. So I do think adding the lace tint spray helped a lot. I love how this feels. I love how smooth and light this texture is. And I love the way that this is cut, this blunt sort of bias cut on the side. And I like the way the bright ginger tips show up on the ends. I think that's really pretty. I like this unit. So I'm gonna add some powder to the part for now, since I'm not going to pluck it right now. And I really only think that it needs plucking in the right in here. Of course, it's up to you to pluck it as much as you want or add as much powder as you want to your liking. Again, I don't really feel like this powder matches my skin tone exactly, but it's what I have. So that's what I'm using. Also wanted to show what the hairline was looking like. This is where the ear tabs come down on either side of my head. That's not bad. I mean, if you wanted to leave a little bit more lace on and glue this down, that would be very nice and secure. A good amount of ear to ear coverage in this cap, so that's definitely great. As you can see in the beginning of the video, there are some baby hairs here that you can lay down to make the hairline more seamless. And I do feel like even though there isn't really a lot of significant pre-plucking, that they did do something here to make the hairline a bit more ragged and natural looking, so that it doesn't have the harsh, you know, round hairline that most units that don't have any pre-plucking have. So I think that that was well done as well. It's a very solid, easy to wear, sleek, you can dress this up, dress this down kind of unit. I really like it, and I love the way that this hair flows as well. So I'm gonna do a 360 and then come back and give you my final thoughts on this unit. So I really have no cons for this unit. The cap size is definitely comfortable. I have the adjustable straps on one hook in this unit. That's how it came. If you take it off, I definitely anticipate that it's going to be even roomier than it is right now. Again, my head measures 22 inches in circumference for reference, so that to me equals big head friendly to me. When I run my fingers through this, there's no tangling. There's no extra shedding. This is not a sheddy wig. This is just from the cutting of the lace. But I mean, if you love a long 12-inch bias cut bob wig that is light in density, I mean, this is it. Like, this is the unit that you can wear anywhere, literally, and it is so beginner friendly. You just cut off that visor of lace, you know, lay down your baby hairs if you want to or not, and break out. Like, I really don't feel, I mean, you could add heat to this if you wanted to, but it comes very flat like this. Like, I probably won't be adding heat to this one myself. This is the most beginner friendly, easy, cut the lace and go, big head friendly unit, and I absolutely recommend it. I believe that it's priced somewhere in the 30s, so it's affordable as well. This is how light this texture is, that when I fan myself, you can just see it like billowing up behind me. I love that about this unit. I am here for it. It is everything that I had hoped it would be, and I am here for it. So as always, I hope you're staying safe, staying cool like me, and I hope to see you in my next video soon. Bye.